Hello my dear students, I am once again back with the new video. My dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about turn into indirect narration. My dear students, here I have taken a small conversation, a one-act play from class 11 NCERT, the Browning version. My dear students, this video is going to be really very helpful for the students of class 10th, 11th and 12th. Here I am going to talk about that how the paragraph is converted from direct to indirect speech. And this question is really very important for the Gujarat board students. There are so many students who often face the problem from converting from direct to indirect speech. So dear students, please watch this video till the end to understand how to convert from direct to indirect speech the paragraphs. So let's get started without wasting the time. Here we go. Before we go ahead, let's read it out the small conversation. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Taplow. Taplow, I'm rather, sir. Frank, Captain, eh? Taplow, no, sir, extra work. Frank, extra work? On the last day of the school? Ended with the question mark. So dear students, this is our small conversation. So now I request you that let's solve it together line by line. So my dear students, the answer is right given here, but I request you that please look at the question. Don't look at the answer for a while. Just be with me, listen to my explanation that how I am solving the conversation. So here we go. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Taplow. Now here the speaker is Frank. The listener is Taplow. So Frank told Taplow that you is used for Taplow. So Frank told Taplow that he sound, simple present tense turns into simple past. He sounded a little bitter. Full stop. Frank told Taplow that he sounded a little bitter. That is the indirect speech of the first sentence. Taplow, I'm rather, sir. Now Taplow respectfully agreed. Taplow agreed that he was rather. Or Taplow respectfully agreed that he was rather. I am rather, simple present turns into simple past. He was rather. Frank, Captain, eh? Now here it's a yes-no type of question. So my dear students, you have studied the rules and regulations. Whenever there is a yes-no type of question, we use if and whether. So Frank asked if he was kept in. Frank asked if he was kept in. Now here kept in means punished. So here even if we can use this a, that is with doubt. Okay, अगर आप चाहे तो इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. अगर इसको ओमिट भी कर देते हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. So Frank asked if he was kept in. Taplow, no sir, extra work. Taplow disagreed and said that he was given extra work. Taplow, no sir, extra work. Taplow disagreed and said that he was given extra work. Frank, extra work on the last day of school? One more yes-no type of question. The sentence ends with question mark. So yes-no type of question, if and whether. Frank surprisingly asked if he was given extra work on the last day of school. Full stop. One more time. Frank surprisingly asked if he was given extra work on the last day of school. Full stop. So that's the indirect speech of this small conversation. So let's read it out the answer as well. Here we go. Frank told Taplow that he sounded a bit bitter. Taplow respectfully agreed that he was rather. Frank asked if he was kept in. Taplow disagreed and said that he was given extra work. Frank surprisingly asked if he was given extra work on the last day of school. So dear students, this is the indirect speech of this paragraph. थोड़ा शायद मैंने जो बताया उसमें थोड़ा स्लाइड चेंज होगा, लेकिन मैंने जो आपको इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कन्वर्ट करके दिया वो भी गलत नहीं है। सो आई होप आपको ये पैराग्राफ समझ में आया होगा। So dear students, let's go with one more paragraph to understand in a better way from the same one act play, the Browning version. So dear students, here we are with the second paragraph from the same chapter, the Browning version. So let's go with the reading of the second conversation. Frank, look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? Taplow, 6:30, sir. Frank, well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before lockup. So this is the small conversation between Frank and Taplow once again. So dear students, answer is right there, but let's solve it together. When I'm explaining you people, I request every one of you to be focused here. आप सभी यहाँ ध्यान देना कि how the direct sentence gets converted into indirect narration, okay, into indirect speech. So let's go with the solution. So dear students, here we go with the explanation. Frank, look, what time did Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here? Question mark. Now my dear students, the very first thing what you have to notice is the sentence is in which tense. So what time did Mr. Crocker? Did. The sentence is in simple past tense. The rule says of direct speech that simple past turns into past perfect. And remember, whenever there is a question mark in direct speech, all the questions they convert into, they become statement into indirect speech. So we have to remove this question mark when we convert into indirect speech. So Frank, now this is a question. So of course Frank asked Taplow what time Mr. Crocker Harris had told. Now did, simple past turns into past perfect, and the rule of past perfect, subject plus had plus verb 3. Frank asked Taplow what time Mr. Crocker Harris had told you is Taplow told him to be here. Word change here will get converted into there. So to be there, full stop. Let's understand one more time with complete answer. Frank asked Taplow. Frank, now it's a question. So of course he is asking Taplow. Frank asked Taplow what time Mr. Crocker Harris had told him to be there. Full stop. That's the answer of the first sentence. Here we go. Now this is the question. So of course the Taplow will reply the answer. So Taplow, 6:30, sir. Taplow replied that at 6:30, sir. So that's the indirect speech of the second sentence. Here we go on the third one. Frank, well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before lockup. Now here in the last sentence, dear students, Frank said that, well, he is 10 minutes late. Simple present turns into simple past. He was 10 minutes late. Frank said that, well, he was 10 minutes late. Then further he asked, why don't you cut? Question mark. Then further he asked, why don't you cut? Simple present tense turns into simple past. Why don't you cut? Question mark. The question mark will be removed and there will be full stop. So why he didn't cut? Why he didn't cut? You could still play golf before lockup. You. Now here, my dear students, so 3 different sentences are there. You have to remember that whenever you are converting from direct to indirect speech, there should be linking between the sentences. There should be linking between different sentences. So one more time, complete sentence, please be focused. Frank said that, well, he was 10 minutes late, and further asked why he didn't cut, as he could still play golf before lockup. Full stop. That's the answer of your second conversation. So let's read out this answer, dear students, what is written right here. When I'm reading the answer, I request everyone that please look at here. Don't look at the answer, just look at here. I'm reading out the answer. Frank asked Taplow what time Mr. Crocker Harris had told him to be there. Tableau respectfully said. Now here actually we use Tableau replied. If you even write that, you are not wrong. So here it is written, Tableau respectfully said that at 6:30, Frank said that he was 10 minutes late. He asked Tableau, now here, and he further asked that what we used. अगर आप वैसे भी लिखते हो तो भी आप गलत नहीं हो. Then he asked Tableau why he didn't cut, as he could, as you could, as he could still play golf before lockup. That's what your answer is. My dear students, I hope these two conversation will help you, and you will further able to solve the other examples. Dear students, tell me on which topic you need the videos in the coming up session. If you have really learned something from this video, then please do hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe my channel. That's it for the day. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.